AlphaSTAR will be showcasing its new GENOA 3D printing features at AMUG. Additive manufacturing continues to show great promise by demonstrating an ability to decrease costs and reduce manufacturing lead time while providing the ability to fabricate complex geometries that otherwise are impossible to fabricate using conventional manufacturing. Yet, challenges remain. AlphaSTAR's additive manufacturing simulation software, GENOA 3DP, addresses those challenges by coupling advanced physics-based simulation technology with integrated computation materials engineering, ultimately providing users the power to virtually print their parts before dedicating time and material, resulting in a drastic reduction in the trial and error associated with failed prints. Software features like virtual design of experiments to analyze the impact of process parameters on mechanical properties, linkage of material properties with process parameters to predict microstructural defects, and the ability to provide process stability maps incorporating laser power versus speed versus maximum temperature are utilized in order to minimize the number of experiments and failed builds. Additionally, GENOA 3DP capabilities allow users to quickly predict thermal history, material states, and dynamic evolution of melt pool and heat-affected zones. To learn more about how you can address your manufacturing challenges using GENOA 3DP, stop by booth number 53 at AMUG.